So, lesson 9, I split this into two parts because we are getting into classes. And so we're going to go through lesson 1 that shows you one way to create classes and fields. And lesson 2, or part 2 of chapter 9, gets into another way of creating those fields. And I don't want you to get confused. So I kind of split this into two parts. So part 1, you'll notice that we have quite a bit of time to complete this. That is because spring break is right in the middle of this. So your assignments are not due until after spring break. So we've got the reading assignment, which is not the entire chapter. Okay, it's only the first part of the chapter. And then this video goes through the chapter and all of the coding examples. Okay, and so it is lengthy. Okay, and so that means there's a lot of information in the coding examples. So you definitely should look at them. And so I've kind of broken this video down into different segments. So defining and using a class, that is in the first 37 minutes. Programming example 1, that runs for about 8 minutes. Public class fields, about 3 minutes. And then we've got programming examples, and you can see how long those run. Okay, and so you certainly can forward the video to any portion that you are having trouble understanding. Okay. Once you get done with this, you are going to do yes, you will be doing the understanding check, and then you will do the lab assignment. Okay, so you will be doing 3 different exercises. Okay, and there is a video that explains the part of the lab assignment that you need to do for part 1. So it's basically the first 3 exercises. You will not do the remaining exercises until we go through part 2. So I have a video for part 1, okay, and it's labeled part 1. So that's all you're going to be working on this week. Okay. And again, these are not due until after spring break. If you want to turn them in before spring break, awesome. I should have plenty of time to correct during spring break, so I can get those corrected and you can get your feedback, but it is not due until after spring break. Okay. We also have an instructor check-in. I put it in this week or this block of time because we do have a large block of time. And also, a lot of students struggle with classes and objects and all of that terminology. So I wanted to touch base with you guys and make sure that you're understanding everything. Okay, so if you click on this link, okay, you can see our agenda for the meeting and the times that I have live stream. You also will be able to submit to this Dropbox in addition to emailing me. However you want to get the feedback to me is fine. Okay, so that is what we are going to be covering from now through spring break. Okay, and I do have some additional resources down here as well. So if you run into problems, have questions, please let me know. And I hope all of you have a wonderful spring break.